Hey, welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to spot support and resistance levels in both uptrend and downtrend, and I'm going to explain to you how they are used. But before we get to the video, check the link in the description for the full course and get 50% off if you use the top link. We need to define what is support and what is resistance. So support is a price level where a downtrend can be expected to pause due to a concentration of demand or buying interest. Meanwhile, resistance zones arise due to selling interest when prices have increased. So let's imagine that this joint that we have here, or this joint right here, is price movement. Based on the definition, our support zones in this downtrend right here, as you can see the downtrend because the price is forming lower highs and lower lows. The support zones should be where we have lower lows based on the definition, because it said where price pause due to the concentration of demand or buying interest. These are our support levels right here based on the definition right here. And based off of that definition now, our resistance zones should be right about here, where price basically pulled back or retraced. And what you may be able to spot very quickly is that where our support is, we also have resistance coming right after. Now let's spot our support and resistance zones for an uptrend. So our very first support zone right here. We have another one right here, another one here, and our last one right up here. So these are our support zones. Now let's draw out our resistance zones. So we have our first resistance zone right here, then our second one right here, and finally our last one right up here. You're able to see that wherever we have support, we also have resistance coming either before or after it. When price is moving down, normally the support areas or the zones of support turn into resistance. When price pulls back or retraces back, these support zones turn into resistance, pushing price downwards to continue the trend. And in uptrends now, normally the resistance turns into support, pushing price upwards for an uptrend. Pretty simple. See you on the next one. I'm out.